So I've been looking for a smart mount for my GoPro that can replace most of the other mounts. And here I found a solution called Snap Mount. Eventually, I'm tired of carrying several mounts for my GoPro. Now recently I found a magnetic solution called Snap Mount. And it works with different action cameras. So I reached out to the company and I received this unit to test here on the channel. Indeed, my review is fully independent. Now my main concern is how strong are these snap magnets and how safe is to snap it on my car while driving. So I decided to check it the hard way. I got the snap mount fixed off-road on ATV quad bike. The snap mount would not be happy if the system fails the test. I suppose you already got the answer. The snap mount system is really strong to the level that can survive an off-road ride. I tried the snap mount on different spots and worked perfectly. However, you may need to use a joint adapter to shoot from this side angle. And because of the magnets, the system features an extension to fix on a selfie stick. So with one move, you attach and detach the camera easily when needed. Also, the snap mount offers an X-strap extension to use the camera on your chest. It's like an angle close to your point of view. Thumbs up if you find this video helpful and consider subscribing for more camera gear reviews. Thank you for watching, guys. This was Oma and see you in another one.